Today, I'm going to show you how to operate the queuing module on the U-Step 2. There's 3 buttons on the queuing module. There's the red button, which is your on-off button. I'll push that. You have an LED light that shows that it's on. And if you look down at the table here, or we'll be on the floor, you would see a red laser line projected on the floor. Okay? There's 2 functions to the queuing module. There's what's called the visual cue, which is the laser, and there's the auditory cue. And if you look over here, there's the word audio. This is how you turn on the audio. What you do is you hold in the top black button, it's a little bit hard to see here, for about 2 seconds, and that turns it on. It's activated, and you hear it clicking like that. That's a beat pattern set up for your walking. If you want to make it faster, you just tap the top button. I just tapped it 3 times to show you, and it's faster pace, and that's to help you regulate your walking. Or you can make it slower just by tapping the bottom button. See, it says slow here. There's 11 different settings, from high to low, from fast to slow, and that's operated with these buttons. There's also a way of setting this. If you want, there's 2 settings that I want to go over with you. I'm going to turn this off for a second. You can actually adjust how long the unit stays on if you forget to turn it off. And I'll show you how that works. And the second thing you can also set is how loud the clicking sound is. So the first thing you do is you turn the red button on, and then instead of holding the top black button in for 2 seconds to turn on the audio, you just tap the top button to increase the amount of time that the unit will stay on. So watch, I'm going to tap it once. If you heard, it clicked 4 times. 4 times means that it will stay on for 4 times 4. It'll stay on for 16 minutes. If you want to make it 20 minutes, if you just forget to turn it on, you push it 1 more time. And you just heard 5 clicks. Okay? You can cycle it all the way through and get it down to 4 minutes or 8 minutes or 12 minutes, but that's the setting for how long it stays on. You can also change the volume by tapping the bottom button. Now it's at the quietest. It's louder, louder. That's about as loud as you can get it, okay? So this is where I'm going to leave it, and then it's set up this is set up to stand 20 minutes, and it's quite loud, the clicking sound.